The presentation is about the polyethylene production at SIDPEC, Sidi Kerir Petrochemicals Company, May to August 2013. As is prepared by me, student SAMI ABDELHAMID SALEM, ID 13487, Chemical Engineering, University Technology Petronas, and it's supervised by Professor Dr. Muhammad Fadil bin Nuruddin from UTB and Engineer Abdulmenem, Ethylene Operation Manager from Sidi Kerir Petrochemicals Company. The objective of this internship is that the student is able to acquire skills in communication and management and teamwork, and also to work as a professional in the work culture, and also to implement the HSE regulations in the company. And now we move to SIDPEC profile. SIDPEC is an Egyptian company, joint stock company, established November 1997. And SIDPEC is considered as an integral step towards petrochemical future in Egypt. The trade name of SIDPEC product is called Egyptine, and it has a linear low polyethylene polymer and high density polyethylene polymer. And now it's the mission and vision of SIDPEC. And then we move to the investment costs and the main feed, and we can see the main feed is an ethane and propane mixture. This is a block diagram of SIDPEC. We have in SIDPEC four main plants: ethylene plant and polyethylene plant and LPG plant and butene plant. My training in SIDPEC included 5 weeks at the ethylene plant and 5 weeks at the polyethylene plant and 1 week in the hotels plant and 1 week in the maintenance department and 1 week focusing on the electricity and auto control department. And now we move to the ethylene plant. At the beginning, I was introduced to the HSE department to have an interview about the HSE regulations in the company. And the ethylene plant units is designed to produce 3,100 million tons per year of polymer grade ethylene in 8,000 operating hours. The licensor is ABDELHAMID and the contractor is Toyo Japan, and the feed is considered an ethylene propane mixture, and the products of this plant are ethylene, high pressure steam, hydrogen, and LPG, and also naphtha. And here we can see a block diagram of the ethylene plant, where we receive the feed from GASCO, and then we move it to the feed preparation unit, the amine unit, where acid gas are removed, and then the feed is moved to the cracking heaters, where the ethane propane mixture is cracked, and we have a product, and this product is moved to the quench tower and then to compression, and then it's compressed to 37.5 bar, and then it's moved to the drying unit and HG removal, where water and HG are removed, and then it continues in the cold stream where hydrogen is removed, and then it continues to the demethanizer where methane is removed, and then we move it to the de-ethanizer where C+, C3+, and LPG are removed from the feed, and then the product is moved to the acetylene hydrogenation converters, where acetylene is converted to ethylene, and then the feed is moved to the ethylene fractionator, where the ethylene is separated from the ethane, and then the ethylene is moved to the storage bowls, and the ethane is recycled to the main feed. And here is also an illustration of the ethylene plant where the amine unit and the quench tower and the cracking heaters are working and in the process. And then we move to the polyethylene plant. The polyethylene plant, the units are designed to produce high density polyethylene and linear low density polyethylene. The licensor is British Petroleum and the contractor is Samsung Korea, and the feed is polymer grade ethylene. And the products are linear low polyethylene using Ziegler-Natta type of catalyst, and high density polyethylene using chromium oxide and Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Here we can see a block diagram of the polyethylene plant, where first we receive the catalyst and we do the preparation and activation of the catalyst, and then we manufacture our monomer, which is polyethylene monomer, and our co-monomer, which is butene one, and we receive hydrogen from the ethylene plant. And then all these are mixed with each other in the polymerization reactor, where we get our product. And then the product is moved to the finishing unit, which is an extruder where additives are added to the product. And then this extruded product is moved to the packaging, where it's packed in 25 kilogram packages and distributed to the customer. And then we move to the next slide, please. And here we can see the polymerization reaction loop, and here we can see the fluidized bed reactor. And then I was introduced to the utilities plant, where we produce our demi-water and instrument air and steam. And then I was moved to the maintenance department to see how the maintenance process are followed in the company. And then I was moved to the electricity department and the auto control. And here we come to our conclusion. In the process identified, I was able to understand how to produce polymer grade ethylene from cracking ethane and propane mixture. And I also was able to produce the following products: high purity hydrogen, methane, liquid gas, heavier hydrocarbons, and pyrolysis gasoline as a fuel too. And in the polyethylene plant, I was able to understand the process of producing polyethylene using fluidized bed reactor mechanism, focusing on the production of two grades of the polyethylene. The first one is high density polyethylene, and the second one is linear low density polyethylene. And with this, I finish my presentation, and thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And we move to
very good presentation about our plan, ethylene, polyethylene, and the utilities. And we hope to see another student next year from our college in order to train or training in our company.
Thank you, sir.